Hi guys, so lumabas na yung Adobe Peace Wi-Fi 4.0 at pwede na natin siya ngayong i-install sa ating Orange Pi. Kaso ang problema, wala naman siyang image na ready to install or yung basta na lang natin i-flash sa ating SD card. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, sa video ito, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano natin may install ang Adobe Peace Wi-Fi 4.0 sa Orange Pi. Stay tuned! Ang mga kailangan natin software yung mga sumusunod: Balena Etcher, Armbian OS, Angry IP Scanner, at ang PuTTY Terminal. Papakita ko sa inyo kung saan ito na-download at lahat ng links para sa mga download na ito ay ilalagay ko sa video description sa baba. Kompleto na yung software natin. Pwede na tayo mag-proceed para sa flashing ng Armbian OS sa ating SD card. So first step natin sa flashing ng Armbian OS is to extract yung zip file. So dun sa desktop nyo, mag right click lang kayo, create new folder and name it Armbian OS, and then click your Armbian zip file, right click, extract file, click desktop, and then yung folder na Armbian OS, and then so after natin ma-extract yung Armbian zip file, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa image flashing. So open natin yung ating etcher and then press on select image, click on desktop, select the folder Armbian OS, and then select the Armbian image file, click on flash, and it will start the process. It will take a while guys, so be patient. So tapos na tayo sa pag-install ng ating Armbian OS. Pwede na natin isaksak ang ating SD card sa Orange Pi. So at this point guys, kailangan nyo na rin saksak ang inyong LAN cable from modem and also your USB to LAN adapter, and then you can power on your Orange Pi. Okay guys, just to recap, na-flash na natin yung Armbian OS at naikabit na rin natin yung ating SD card, yung ating LAN cable, yung ating USB to LAN, at na-power on na rin natin si Orange Pi. So ready na tayo for Armbian configuration. So punta na tayo sa computer at ko-connect na tayo sa ating Orange Pi. Open natin yung ating Angry IP scanner and then click on start. Ang ginagawa niya, tinitingnan niya lahat ng devices na nakakonect ngayon sa network natin, like computers, cell phones, and other devices like yung Orange Pi natin. Pagkatapos niya mag-scan, i-click natin yung MAC address tab and then click on sort by MAC address. Ngayon, i-check naman natin yung vendor tab. Makikita nyo dyan may NA, so hindi natin kilala kung sino yung vendor. Yan yung mga primary suspect natin na IP address ni Orange Pi. So to validate kung ito talaga si 192.168.1.114 yung ating Orange Pi, proceed tayo sa ating terminal and let's try to connect to our Orange Pi using this IP address. Open natin yung PuTTY terminal and type 192.168.1.114, then click open. And then may pop up tayo, warning, potential security breach. Ibig sabihin nito, may server na sumagot sa IP address na yon at wina-warningan tayo ni PuTTY Terminal na hindi niya kilala yung server. Pero guys, most likely siya lang naman yung server na nasa network nyo. So just hit yes. Then, you will be greeted with a login screen. Pag nakita nyo tong window na to, eto na yung terminal na sinasabi. Eto na yung sinasabing terminal installation, kung saan gagawin yung installation. Pero bago yan, kailangan muna nating mag-setup ng user account natin. Kumbaga yung Windows login natin. So login tayo using the default username, which is root. Default password 1234. Now, you need to change your password, yung password ni root. Type nyo ulit yung current password 1234. Hit enter. Type nyo naman yung bago nyong password. And then, retype your new password. Okay, so napalitan na natin yung root password. Ang next naman ay gagawa tayo ng sarili nating user profile. Kasi hindi naman natin gagamitin yung root account. So dito naman na-ask tayo ni Armbian for our username and password. So fill nyo lang yan, then press enter. Dito naman nag-a-ask siya ng extra details. Fill it in or put NA if you want. And at the end, you'll be asked if all the information are correct. Just press Y and hit enter. Okay guys, so that would wrap up our account setup. Oh, account setup pa lang yun. Pero huwag kang mag-alala, malapit na tayo sa katotohanan. Ready na tayo for our Linux commands. Ito na yung part kung saan tayo mag-aalala Linux admin. Mag-aalala Mr. Robot. Pero joke lang yun. Mag-copy-paste lang tayo ng Linux command from AdoWiki to the terminal to finish the installation. Okay, so buksan natin yung AdoWiki page. Dito natin kukunin yung mga commands. Yung link nito ilalagay ko sa baba. Then, buksan din natin yung terminal. Pagtabihin natin sila side by side. Ika-copy-paste natin yung mga command, one line at a time. So, i-highlight natin yung first command. Right-click and select copy. Then, we'll go over our terminal. Right-click will automatically paste our command for us. We just need to hit enter. And there you go. Nagra-run na yung installation. So basically guys, yun lang yung kailangan natin gawin for the rest of the remaining commands. I will just show you a fast forward version of this. So mas mabilis at mas maikli yung video natin. Okay guys, kung umabot na kayo sa part ng installation nito, I would like to congratulate you kasi binubot na ngayon ni Orange Pi yung Adobe sa Wi-Fi natin. And pwede na natin siya ma-access through browser. Pero hindi yung 10.0.0.1 yung gagamitin natin. Kailangan pa rin natin siyang i-access using yung kanyang IP address. At kung nagbago man yung kanyang IP address during reboot, you can always run yung ating Angry IP scanner para ma-check ulit kung anong IP niya. Okay, so ngayon, buksan na natin yung browser at i-config na natin si Adobe sa Wi-Fi. Open your browser and type in the IP address ng Orange Pi natin. Okay, so ito na yung ating admin panel. type in your new password, then retype your new password, save changes. Next page, kailangan nyo piliin kung ano yung board na ginagamit nyo. In our case, it's Orange Pi, and then click save. And then setup 1, select Ethernet 0, and then set as WAN interface. Set a interface alias WAN. Check din yung DNS, and then save changes na tayo. Next page is yung setup LAN. Guys, make sure na meron na kayong USB to LAN na nakakabit to sa board, or else walang magpa-pop up dito na interface to configure. Make sure naka-check yung enabled captive portal, and then we will set interface alias, which is LAN. And then itong obtain IP address, kailangan nyo itong i-tick off. And then put in a static IP address. Ito na yung 10.0.0.1. And then network prefix natin, dapat ito 20. Next is enable DHCP server on this interface. Okay, so dito kukuha ng IP address yung mga cellphone natin. So we will put in 10.0.0.10, and then yung full end natin is 10.0.15.254. Click save, click finish. Okay, and then hingi ng reboot si Ado. Select restart. Okay, so after the reboot, open nyo ulit yung admin panel, payment portals. On add wired coin slot. Under coin slot type, select GPIO. Set an alias. For me, I will just put in main vendor. And then yung GPIO ko ay yung pin number 3. And then my relay for this Orange Pi is number 16. And I will click on save changes. Okay, so at this point guys, pwede na tayong connect dun sa ating access point. So open your browser, then type the 10.0.0.1, and you should have your portal page. Click on insert coin, time rate, and then select main vendor. And then now you can try to put some coins in. Okay, so nag-credit na siya. And you are done. Okay guys, tapos na tayo. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung video ito, please give me a thumbs up, and also please hit the subscribe button para sa mga ganitong tutorial. Siguro sunod natin yung updating ng Raspberry Pi. See you on my next video. Peace out.